I'm Marissa Mancini. I'm the program coordinator for the Healthy Neighborhoods program.
And I'm Rick Smith. I'm with the Auburn Fire Department.
We are going to give you some tips and tricks about fire safety, starting with how to properly use a fire extinguisher.
All right, so we have our extinguisher here. It's an ABC extinguisher. It's one that you're going to find in a lot of industries and a lot of workplaces. It's just going to cover your A, B, and C fires. So usually they're going to be stored in and around an exit area because you never want to turn your back to a fire. You never want to get too deep into the fight in the fire. So these are going to be by your exits. Again, we don't want to forget to call 911. That is the most important part here. Once you call 911 and you think you can take care of the fire, you can do that. What we teach everybody is the acronym PASS, P-A-S-S. So it's pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. So you're going to pull the pin. You're going to aim your nozzle, you're going to squeeze the handle, and you're going to sweep the base of the fire. You don't want to hit the top of the flames. You want to hit the stuff that's on fire. So I will demonstrate that. Okay, we have our extinguisher. I don't want to put my back to the fire. I want to see what the fire is doing the entire time. I've already called 911. I feel safe enough that I can take care of this fire. I have my extinguisher. I'm going to pull the pin. I'm going to aim, squeeze, and sweep. It's as simple as that. If you don't have an extinguisher, you also have the option to use baking soda for a smaller fire. All right, we're going to take our box of baking soda. We're going to open it up from the side. You want to use a lot, not just a little bit.
The Healthy Neighborhoods program can help make sure your family is safe from preventable fires and much more. We work with the Auburn Fire Department to check and replace your smoke detectors and fire extinguishers, check the home for any fire hazards, and provide education to you and your family. Call 315-253-1560 to schedule your no-cost home safety check today.